Hey everyone, what's going on? So there are so many times it happens that we unintentionally delete some of our important files like photos or video files, or sometimes we have our phone damaged and some deleted files that we cannot recover anymore. So in this video I'll show you a way you can recover any deleted files from any kinds of drives, SD cards or damaged phones really easily. So as you can see that I have this drive connected on my phone. So I have this video file right here, and now I'm just going to delete this file just to show you as an example how easy it is for us to recover this file. So I'm just going to delete it here. Now I'm deleting it from the file manager, so when we delete files from our gallery it is much easier for us to recover it as it gets stored in the temporary deleted files. But when you delete a file from the file manager, it's impossible to recover it if you do not have any recycle bin feature. So I have deleted this file from my file manager and now we're going to recover it. So to recover this file, we're going to head to our computer now. Now I'll just quickly show you that the file that I had deleted is in fact deleted. So this is the drive that had my file. So as you can see that I do not have this file anymore and the folder is completely empty. So I have deleted this file from my phone, so it's impossible for me to recover it from the computer. So to recover this file, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this software named 4DDIG Data Recovery by Tenorshare. Now ever since I came across this software, I became a fan of it and it has helped me to recover so many old deleted files that I didn't even know I could recover. So you'll find the link for this website in the description. Just go ahead and open this website and you'll find all the details in the website. You can see all the reviews and it has been trusted by so many famous companies as well. So first thing we're going to do is just download this software. And it's available for both Windows and Mac, so whatever computer you have, you can download this software. So just click on this recovery and from here you can select the version that you wish to download for your Mac or Windows. And it also offers some other softwares as well that are really helpful. You can check those out as well. Now if you wish to buy this software, you can click on the buy now button and from here you can select the plan that best suits you and then just click on the buy now button and enter the details so the software will start getting downloaded. But if you do not wish to buy it right away, you just need to try it. You can do that as well. You can download the software for free as a trial version. That's what we're going to do now. Just click on the free download and the software will start getting downloaded. And once it's downloaded, just hit on install and it'll start installing on your computer. Now that we have the software installed, let's open it and recover some files. Now with the link to the website, you'll also find a coupon code in the description that you can apply on this software to get a 30% discount as well. So this is the software that you have, and as you can see it has all the drives and directories listed here. You can see the internal drives and also the external drive that I have plugged in as well. And it can also help you recover from a crashed computer as well. It can also repair unopenable files like videos or photo files as well. And if you do not see your external drive listed here, all you have to do is just click here on this fix the issue, and then from here you can follow the instruction to fix that issue. And you can also click on this reload button to get the drive show up here. Now if you wish to recover a file from a certain drive, you can simply just scan the entire drive if you don't know which folder you have that deleted file on. But I know that my file was deleted from this folder, so I'll just simply open that folder and from there we can start the searching and the scanning. Now I'll give you the option to check the kinds of file that needs to recover. As though our file is a video file, we'll just select the video file and uncheck everything else and then click on scan only video. So as you can see, it has started scanning the files, and you can see there are so many files that it scanned. So it has also scanned the folder and the recycle bin as well. The recycle bin has been scanned by default. So once the scanning is completed, we'll be able to see the kinds of file that we can recover. So now that the scanning is completed, you may find the files in different folders. So if the file was not in a specified folder, you may find the recovered files on this folder named file path not found as well. So as you can see that this was the file that we had deleted, and now we can recover this file. As you can see, it is being listed here. This is the exact video that was deleted, and you can also see that it has also recovered some of our files that was deleted from the recycle bin as well. So I can recover these files as well. So it's so easy to recover the files from here. You can just simply scan it and that's it. You have all the files listed here for you to recover. Now we only need to recover our video files, so I'll just uncheck everything else. And whatever file or folder you need to recover, just check on that folder and you can simply recover it. So we're just going to recover our video files from here. And once we click on recover, it'll ask us to select the folder in which we want to keep our recovered file now. So it will give you a warning to not store the file on a drive from which it was already deleted, but if you do not have any problem on that drive, you can go ahead and recover that file on that same drive as well. And that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll just click on recover and then it'll give you this warning again. So I'll just click on recover. And that's it. Now our video file has been successfully recovered. So as you can see, I selected this folder and it created some other folders as well, but that's not a problem. So I'll just open this folder and there we have it, our file exactly as it was. So as you can see that it has successfully recovered our video file. So that's how you can recover any kinds of video files or any kinds of files from any drives as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.